Hidden beneath the emerald canopy of South America's flooded forests, something enormous moves silently through the dark water. It leaves almost no ripples, no warning, no sound. For centuries, stories of giant snakes capable of swallowing humans whole have traveled around the world. Explorers wrote about monstrous serpents hiding in remote rivers. Indigenous legends spoke of powerful guardians of the wetlands. Movies transformed these creatures into terrifying monsters. But how much of what we believe about anacondas is actually true? Are they truly the world's deadliest snakes? Can they really grow over 30 feet long? Do they hunt people? Or has fiction overshadowed reality? Today, we're uncovering the truth about one of the most mysterious predators on Earth, the green anaconda. When people think about giant snakes, two names usually come to mind: the reticulated python and the green anaconda. While the reticulated python is generally the longest snake on Earth, the green anaconda holds a different title. It is the heaviest snake in the world. A large female can weigh well over 200 pounds, with an incredibly muscular body designed for crushing enormous prey. Most adult females measure between 15 and 20 feet in length, although exceptionally large individuals may grow even longer. The males, however, are much smaller, sometimes only half the size of females. This dramatic size difference is one of the largest examples of sexual dimorphism among snakes. Unlike many predators that rely on speed, anacondas rely on overwhelming power. Every muscle in their bodies is built for one purpose: to squeeze. Many people assume anacondas live throughout the entire Amazon rainforest. The truth is far more interesting. Green anacondas inhabit slow-moving rivers, flooded forests, marshes, swamps, and wetlands across much of northern South America. Brazil contains some of the largest populations, particularly within the Amazon basin and the vast Pantanal wetlands. Water is essential to their survival. On land, an anaconda's massive body becomes heavy and slow. In water, however, gravity seems to disappear. Their eyes and nostrils sit high on top of their heads, allowing them to remain almost completely submerged while watching everything around them. To unsuspecting animals, the water appears calm, but beneath the surface, one of nature's greatest ambush predators waits patiently. Despite their enormous size, anacondas rarely chase prey. Instead, they rely on patience, sometimes waiting for hours, sometimes even days. As capybaras, caimans, deer, birds, or wild pigs approach the water's edge, the snake remains perfectly still. Then, in a fraction of a second, it strikes. Its curved teeth grab the victim while its muscular body instantly wraps around the prey. Many people believe constrictor snakes crush bones. That's actually a myth. Scientific research has shown that constriction works differently. Every time the prey exhales, the snake tightens its coils. Eventually, blood circulation is interrupted. Within minutes, the animal loses consciousness. Only then does the anaconda begin swallowing its meal whole. Perhaps no question has generated more fear than this one. Can an anaconda eat a human? Technically, yes. Physically, a very large anaconda could swallow an adult person. But that's not what happens in nature. Verified attacks on humans are extremely rare. Most documented encounters involve defensive bites rather than predatory attacks. Humans are simply not ideal prey. We are large, unpredictable, and dangerous. An anaconda has far easier options available: capybaras, wild pigs, deer, large birds, fish, and even caimans. Hollywood has portrayed anacondas as relentless man-eaters. Reality tells a very different story. They usually avoid humans whenever possible. Unlike many reptiles that lay eggs, green anacondas give birth to live young. After a pregnancy lasting around 7 months, a female may deliver anywhere from 20 to 40 babies. Some exceptionally large females have produced more than 70 offspring. Each newborn is already capable of hunting alone. There is no parental care. From the moment they enter the world, survival depends entirely on instinct. Many young anacondas never reach adulthood. Birds of prey, jaguars, caimans, and even larger snakes all represent serious threats during the first years of life. Only a small percentage survive long enough to become giants. Now let's separate fact from fiction. Myth number 1. Anacondas hunt humans. False. There is almost no scientific evidence suggesting humans are regular prey. Myth number 2. They break bones while constricting. False. Constriction primarily stops blood circulation. Myth number 3. They can reach 50 feet. Highly unlikely. Although stories of gigantic snakes have existed for centuries, no scientifically verified green anaconda has ever approached that size. Most reliable records place the largest individuals between 20 and 25 feet. Still enormous. Still one of Earth's greatest reptiles. But not the mythical monsters described in old legends. Despite their fearsome reputation, anacondas play a critical role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. As apex predators, they help regulate populations of mammals, reptiles, and other aquatic animals. Without predators like the anaconda, ecological balance can quickly be disrupted. Unfortunately, habitat destruction, wetland drainage, illegal hunting, and pollution increasingly threaten many freshwater ecosystems across South America. Protecting these environments also protects countless other species that depend on the same wetlands. When we protect anacondas, we protect entire ecosystems. The green anaconda is not a monster. It is not a ruthless hunter of humans. It is not the unstoppable beast portrayed in movies. Instead, it is one of evolution's most remarkable predators, a silent giant perfectly adapted to life in South America's wetlands. Powerful, patient, and essential to the balance of nature. If you enjoyed discovering the truth behind one of the world's most misunderstood snakes, subscribe to Brazilian Snakes and join us as we explore the incredible reptiles hidden throughout Brazil's wild landscapes. Because nature is always more fascinating than fiction,